Hello farmers, welcome back to the channel. This is a place for agricultural business owners looking for ways to make profit from the agricultural business and also thinking of starting up an agribusiness. And today I'm back with another video for the channel. Today I want to talk about the cost of setting up an oil mill. Yes, so in one of my vlogs that I did on field, I was showing you guys an oil mill setup. Just mini mill setup on a small scale, but the video, I guess I was not audible enough in that video, so I'm refilming the video for those that might be interested in setting up their oil mill. Okay, so if you're interested in today's video, make sure you smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, also turn on the bell beside your post notification so that you'll be aware when I release videos like this. All right, let's dive in. So we have 4 essential things you need to have if you're planning to start it on a small scale. So what I'll be saying in today's video is just basically small scale. I learned that you can also set this up in larger scale, but the one you guys saw in that video, I'm going to put maybe a bureau so that you see what I'm talking about. The one you guys saw in that video is like a small scale. So what is the budget if you want to start up something like that? Let's start with the main power, which is the lister. I did my research after that vlog to find out the current price of lister, and it's going between 850, 900 to 1 million naira, which is the brain, like the one that will be working, that will be operating every other thing. As of the time I made the research, it was between 800 to 1 million naira. Yes, that is the current price. And one thing about these things that I've discovered is some of these things can be fabricated. Yes, I've not really gone deep into machineries, but the little research I've been doing for people, I get to see that you can fabricate most of these machineries. It's not compulsory you start importing them because cost of shipping and the rest. So the first one, like I said, is lister, and it goes between 800 to 1 million naira. Next one is the cracker. The cracker is that one that we crack the shell to bring out the nuts. The cracker costs between 600 I said 600 naira. It costs between 600,000 to 800,000 naira, but it depends on the person that's fabricating it for you. It might be cheaper, it might be higher, but when I did my research, that is the range is going for between 600,000 naira to 800,000 naira for the cracker. The cracker is the one that's going to crack the shell to bring out the nuts in case you want to produce palm kernel oil. Okay, so that's another essential. I've talked about the lister, I've talked about the cracker. The next one is the pounder. The pounder is one that we pound the nuts to extract the oil. Okay, so the pounder is also fabricated, and that one goes between 300,000 naira to 500,000 naira. Like I said, these are just estimated prices. It might be lower, it might be higher, but based on my own research, because I had to go to is it DOC, what's the name of that place in Ibadan, to ask questions because they fabricate machines there. So it's between 300,000 naira to 500,000 naira. That is the pounder. There's a way it's fabricated. It has something like pistol inside that to be turning it and be pounding the nuts to extract the oil. And finally, you need drums for cooking. You need drums for cooking, or you need pots for cooking. But in palm oil business, what they use is drums. You can get those drums between 20,000 naira to 50,000 naira, depending on where you're buying it from. But there was one I saw, it was going for 15,000 at that time. You can check your local market, or you can meet someone that fabricates machine for all these things that I mentioned. Also, don't forget the cost of borehole. So everything I mentioned are just for the equipment. I've not talked about borehole, you erecting a mini building where you are going to place all the machines. So you have to add that to the cost as well. So let's give it plus or minus budget 5 million naira, plus or minus 5 million naira should be able to set up an oil mill. Yes, palm oil mill. Yes, 5 million naira plus or minus. As of the time I'm filming this video, should be able to set it up. And the 5 million naira, I don't know if I should include the borehole or I should exclude the borehole, because I don't know the current price they use in digging borehole right now. I don't know the current price. And block and cement, that one should still do it. 5 million naira should still cover for it. So yes, that is the cost of setting up an oil mill for those that want to set it up. Okay, I'm sorry you guys did not enjoy that video, but for people that have not seen that vlog, yes, go and check it out. It's a vlog where I visited an oil palm plantation. You need to check it out if it's something you're interested in. All right, I hope you got value. Also, before I close out this video, I want to talk about the farming community, the community of like-minded community where we talk about agribusiness, storage, processing, packaging, everything agriculture in general. So if you're not in the community, kindly sign up. Okay, now people don't understand what's going on in the community. Teachings happen all the time in the community. Okay, so you're making payments to join the community via the teaching. Okay, so through the teaching you join the community. All right, I hope you got value. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'm going to see you in my next video.